Wow, it's so misty this morning. Wow, what a beautiful day to start. Welcome back everyone. Yeah, I'm actually on my way to work again because this is like my daily routine. This is my workhorse. This 390. It's a beautiful workhorse. Oh, what bike is that? MT-09? Yeah, MT-09. So in this video I actually kind of want to talk about my future plans for this channel, this bike. How is it going to progress and so on, right? Yeah, because I've actually had so many things in mind, quite a few, but because I'm in Malaysia, so Malaysia is actually having a lockdown now, but not like a strict and tight lockdown. It's just lockdown, but you can go to work, but people still comes out, right? And this lockdown, we cannot travel inter-district, so we cannot go from one district to another unless it's work purpose or you have like a special letter or things like that. And no interstate travel, you can't travel through state. And I'm living in a city, look, I'm living in a city, so there's like no nice roads that I can go. Every morning is like this kind of congestion. I mean, yeah, look. Okay, yeah, every morning, this is just basically city road. I miss the twisties, guys. I haven't been to the twisties for, I don't know, since forever, guys. Once the lockdown lifted or once the pandemic ends, first place I'm gonna go is like the twisties. And then, which makes me want to get like a nicer camera. That's the first thing that I would like to do. I'm actually currently saving up money for maybe Insta360 1R or DJI Osmo Action 2 if they're releasing a new one, because GoPro is like 09 is quite big and I've heard that it has a lot of bugs and it's also very, very expensive. I don't have that amount of money that I can just spend yet. So yeah, action camera is one thing. Because I'm using this Xiaomi action camera, it's not that it's bad or anything, it's just it can be better. My video quality can be better, but I don't have the amount of money. So yeah, slowly, like, I'm gonna just take things step by step, right? Can't buy everything in one shot. And the second thing I will do, maybe if like once the pandemic has ended, the interstate travel has been lifted. Yeah, I don't think the pandemic is gonna end so early, but yeah, like once the interstate travel has been lifted so that I can go somewhere far, I can travel interstate, which means I can go to other states. The first place I'm gonna go is I'm gonna travel 300 kilometers to, you know, the north of Malaysia, because I wanna go and visit my grandma. I haven't seen her for like almost 2 years. She's old, I miss her, and I wanna travel. I wanna do long distance with this 390 Duke. So in order to travel comfortably, I think I'm gonna have to get some travel mods. For example, maybe like a bigger windshield, or a comfort seat, or maybe auxiliary lights, things like that, right? Easier for me to do long distance, right? Like maybe a handguard, things like that. Speaking about windshield, actually, maybe I could make another windshield for this bike, another custom one. I don't know. Haha, we have to see, we have to wait. Like yeah, these are like the things that I really kind of want to do, you know, like future plans. I want to go touring. So other than that, this kind of thing are actually very tempting, like to do straight away right now, like everything. So one thing, money is the restriction. I think other than money is the warranty, because what I had in mind for this bike is also actually tuning it to make it the ultimate Duke, the corner ripper, the torque master. Maybe like I throw in a K&N air filter and then a piggyback, Powertronic piggyback ECU, something like that. Or maybe an exhaust, I don't know. But I kind of like this exhaust, how the way this exhaust looks. Yeah, I actually really like the way how it looks. So I don't think I will change the look of the exhaust, but maybe I will open the bore so to let more air out. Woo! But it's still, because it's actually very quiet, I can't really hear much exhaust note. It's like 80% wind noise, 20% exhaust. Like when I'm not accelerating, it's like 100% wind noise, which is very quiet. It is comfortable for a long distance, but I don't feel anything. You know, exhaust kind of makes you feel one kind, you know, like you feel like you're fast, you feel like you are powerful. That's like the effect. Yeah, it's fast, but it's not telling me it's fast. You get what I mean? Something like that. It's fast. I'm going 120 just now, but it's not telling me you are going fast. Something like that. Because there's no exhaust sound to remind me. But yeah, it's comfortable. I don't want to have a very, very loud exhaust. Just want to have a little bit of a tone, a little bit of music. That's all I want. So yeah, tuning is in my mind, is in my list. If I can save enough money, then I think I'll go for it. It's not cheap, guys. In Malaysia, it's like a piggyback is cost about 1,004, 1,005 ringgit. I'm not sure that is like including the price of dyno, and then like the K&N air filter is about 300 something, I guess. Not really sure, but it's around, I mean, it's plus minus that kind of price range, right? And then an exhaust, let's say a Leo Vinci, the cheapest one, Leo Vinci, 800, 900 bucks. Yeah, it's not cheap, man. That's like way more than my salary already. I'm a fresh grad, guys. So yeah, on my way to work now, trying to make some money, give this baby a little bit nicer things. So I'm about to reach my workplace. I think I can wrap this video up, and these are also pretty much that I want to say. These are also my future plans, and if you'd like to see how my bike progress, how me as a rider, how I progress, and if you like this video and you want to see what I do, and of course subscribe to this channel too, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like what I am doing. It helps so much, it means so much to me. And comment and let me know, what should I add on, or what am I missing in the future plan, or what would you do to your bike? Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.